Hello and welcome. We're out and about again today. Today we're in Ballater, which is in Scotland, and we're going to have a walk around the campsite where we're at.
Yeah, it's right in the town, so it's only a few minutes walk to the shops.
Yes, very nice.
Yeah.
Let's have a little walk then. So there we go.
As you can see, it's full.
Yes, we rang up and the only thing that was left was fully service pictures.
Which we don't mind.
No, we don't mind.
It just costs a bit more.
Yeah, who cares?
We wouldn't normally do it because we're only here for one night.
But if there's nothing else, you've had it.
Yes.
Haven't you? Oh, that's a nice welcome too. Right, so we're parked over there. And
oh, there's an exercise bit. I didn't see that.
oh right. It's where all the monkeys go.
I might be a monkey and go there later then.
Oh right, okay. Right. So there's the river. Should we go and have a look at the river?
Yes.
We're going to have a look at the river. No camping any time. Go on, give it a go, see.
Which one?
I don't know. One that's not going to work.
Right, okay. I'll have a go on this one then.
This one?
You've got to be at least 14, is that okay?
Yeah. Oh, well done. Don't go too mad and hurt yourself. Oh, I'm going to look at the river. And there you are, there's the river. And there's the bridge. You can see the bridge. Over there. It does flood. Oh, still going strong, look. We can even have a game of balls, look.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Mrs. Exerciser.
As long as I don't fall off getting off. You got to be over 14 to use them.
Have you? Well, you're definitely over 14, Susie.
Yep. Just a little bit.
Right. Please pick up after your dog. And all dogs must be kept on leads.
Well, there's no dogs.
Well, he is. He's kept with a dog.
Is he?
Yes, he's not on a lead.
Oh, no. Too late. I didn't even see him.
Oh. Are we going to walk around that way?
Yes.
Walk around this way. Strictly no noise after 10 p.m. It's very windy.
It is very windy. Just took up my jacket because it was blowing.
Yeah.
When the sun comes out, it's really warm.
It's been very warm, hasn't it?
Yes. Right, it's one way round a lot of this.
We're going the wrong way.
We are going the wrong way.
Oh dear.
Right, although it looks like it, this isn't actually the motorhome service area.
Isn't it? What is this then?
This is for caravans.
Is it for caravans?
Yeah, which seems odd. But I think you can use it for motorhomes as well.
No, you can stop you, don't you?
No.
So you've got chemical toilet, got fill your caravan up, fill your motorhome up.
Dog wash,
Yeah.
and bike wash.
Yeah, grey water disposal there. Yeah, it's alright.
There's loads of bins all around, lots of recycling.
Yeah. What's the toilets like?
The ladies is lovely.
Yep.
Yeah, there's quite a few showers. They're not push buttons, so you just turn them on.
Oh right, that's makes a difference.
We've got all this flood stuff to put
Yes.
up whenever it floods.
And I understand it does flood.
Dishwashing.
Oh yes.
And that's a unisex toilet for when they're actually cleaning the other toilets. You can use that one.
Oh right. This is nice. All nice, neat and tidy.
There's hoses for drinking water only. It's good.
And clean.
Yes.
More information. Our Wi-Fi is free.
Yes, but it is not strong enough for streaming, gaming or catch-up TV.
Well, that's hard luck.
Laundry.
Yeah.
9 o'clock in the morning till 9 at night. Washing machine £5.
Tumble dry £3.
£3.
Oh, that's not so bad, is it?
No, it doesn't say whether you have to get tokens, and I've not been in to have a look.
No.
So this is a tent area then?
Yes.
Give away with a tent on it.
Speed bump.
You didn't slow down.
Hey?
You didn't slow
Oh, no,
down.
I didn't. I was flat out like a lizard drinking, mate. Let's cross over the grass.
Yeah.
Isn't it? No football in camping area. It's lovely, look at the views, the vista. Drinking water there.
It is a well-kept campsite.
It is. Can we get through? There, look. There's a gap. There, gap, look. Gap between 9 and 10. You can see the church from here.
Okay.
He's from Scotland, look. These wooden fences are a bit of a pain in the arse,
Yeah.
aren't they?
But
It's nice, but the problem is that because they're not cut back here, you end up running over the grass, which is not ideal,
No.
is it? Not with a big van.
They look nice, but they're in the way.
Yes, they are. Yeah. I'd have a couple of goes at getting it on our pitch, didn't I?
Yes.
I think I didn't go far enough forward.
But there's loads of drinking water all
Yes,
over.
there is. It's all very nice, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, look, there's lots of pictures, look. How many pictures are there, Sue?
80.
How many pictures, Sue?
I don't know. I haven't got my glasses on.
Oh, God. There's 88 pictures. There are... There you go, look. The ones with S's are fully serviced. Oh, that's out.
Yes, I did
Oh,
say
did I?
exits that way. Because this is the motorhome service point.
Ah, that's nice, yeah.
Chemical disposal as well.
Yeah. Been there. So, and this is back,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yep. And that's the way out. So it's a one-way system. You don't come in the same way as you go out.
No.
But if you do come, don't follow your Satnav.
No, stupid thing.
In Ballater, it tells you to go down tiny little streets, and you don't need to.
No, don't do that.
Follow the brown camping signs
Yes.
in Ballater.
Yes,
And that'll put
absolutely.
you right.
Now this, by the end of tonight, is going to be completely full.
Yes.
Lots of caravans. And a lot of these caravans look like they've been here a while.
Yes.
Don't they?
This one's sort of full, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's all good stuff. Tidy. Tidy little site. Well coiffured. Yeah, you can see the church in the distance. And plenty of big hills.
What is it, about a 5-minute walk into the shops?
Yeah, something like that.
It's very, very
Very
close.
close. And there we are, back to the motorhome.
There's another lot of recycling. I
Just,
think it's 3 or 4 recycling points.
yeah. Yeah. I had to get a bit, yeah, I should have gone a lot further forward, didn't I? But anyway, there you go. So, there you go. That's our little walk round this campsite. I hope you've enjoyed it. Hopefully you'll come up here and have a visit, because it's well worth it.
Yeah, because it's only a few miles, I say a few miles, probably about 5 miles from
Balmoral.
Balmoral.
Yeah.
And probably, what, 10, 15, probably about 15 miles from Braemar,
Yeah.
which does the Royal Highland Games.
And all that malarkey. So, yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Say bye-bye, Susie.
Bye-bye, Susie.
Bye!